Hello, my name is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and today we're going to teach you guys how to replace a circuit breaker. Real simple is we're going to open up circuit breaker box here. We're going to go ahead and flip off the main. Once we have that done, we'll go ahead and remove the two screws that are holding the panel in place. After doing so, we will have a breaker that we want to replace. Once doing so, we're going to use our screwdriver to loosen up the screw that's holding on to the hot wire. Then after that, we're going to pull that wire out, grab onto the circuit breaker, pull it out and pry it out. Comes right out of place. After that, you get your new circuit breaker. Go ahead and clip them back into place. Use your black wire, insert them back into your breaker. Tighten them back up with your screwdriver. Then we're going to go ahead and put the lid back on of it. Turn your main breaker back on, and there you are. You have yourself a new circuit breaker.